Good evening. My name is Ralph Weber, and I'm here tonight to talk to you about House Bill 1366, sponsored by Representative Mike Sparks and co-sponsored by Chairman Martin Daniel. This bill will save Tennessee state taxpayers and employees $96 million a year, according to numbers furnished by Tennessee Finance and Administration. The Fiscal Review Committee feels that it will save the state employees and taxpayers $24.6 million per year. Either way, the savings are substantial. While it's going to save a lot of money, it's also going to increase choice for state employees in that they can go to any provider rather than being restricted to a narrow network that Blue Cross Blue Shield has set up. So they can go to any provider. The out-of-pocket costs will be reduced for state employees, and the quality will be increased. Let me explain. Tennessee State Finance and Administration has supplied the following numbers in an email. As you can see, right now the state pays 166% to in-network providers for the facility fees, 135% to the professional fees, which means the actual doctor charges. The out-of-network providers are paid 157% of this. These are all of the Medicare rates, and the doctors are paid 123%. So the total in-network are paid 151% of Medicare, out-of-network 145%. That's a difference of 6%. Between the state contributions and the employee contributions, currently the costs are $1.6 billion per year, and 6% of $1.6 billion is $96 million. So that's where those savings come from. In addition, it removes the spikes in some procedures, and I've highlighted 3 procedures here, as you can see from this chart. This one is repair to a knee joint. As you can see, there are some providers that are just charging outrageous amounts. This here is a colonoscopy. As you can see, the average charges, the median cost is $1,212, and the high is $17,341. So again, you have these spikes. When we analyze the quality of the providers, according to data supplied by Medicare, the ones that generally charged over $15,000 were lower quality. They were rated 2 out of 5 stars by Medicare, while the lower charging providers were rated 5 out of 5 stars. The bottom procedure, this is a CT scan of the abdomen. As you can see, the average charges are $635. The high is $19,800. And it's not just one, there's a bunch of charges that are this high. I call that unjust enrichment. Why should some providers be able to charge 3,100% of the average? That doesn't even make sense. And it's not like there's a improvement in quality. The quality is the same, sometimes even less. Here is the fiscal note, which is supplied by the state, which shows that it will be $24.6 million in savings on total claims, which will save in fiscal year 21-22 $17,928,480. And the difference between that 17.9 and the 24 are the savings that go to the actual employee contributions. So this bill will save the state taxpayers, the state employees, the teachers, and higher education workers anywhere between $24.6 and $96 million a year. It will increase choice because it removes the narrow network. Blue Cross Blue Shield will still administer the plan. However, rather than sending people to their more expensive providers, it'll allow the employees to go to any providers they choose. And if they choose a cost-effective provider, they'll be rewarded with lower deductibles or copays or coinsurance. In addition, it removes those spikes that I showed you a few minutes ago, and it overall improves the quality of care. I urge you to vote in favor of HB 1366 so that we can examine this bill more closely when it goes to the full House. As I said, it saves the state taxpayers and state employees a lot of money, improves choice, improves quality, and overall, Tennesseans need that relief right now. We've been under a lot of stress with reduced hours, reduced pay, and we want to get the state back to work, and we want to save some money and reduce costs and improve quality.